Tommy V in Michigan. He was on fire this morning.
Okay, thank you, Tommy V in Michigan. Yes, sir. If you share my prayers.
Tommy V's on. Yeah, we'll jump over there.
Tommy V doing great stuff over there.
Morning.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Vincent. DDC.
Good morning.
Morning, DDC. I'm going to need Durham, and then Tyler Gabriel. Those are two cases I have to accuse myself on. For Durham, I signed that warrant as a prosecutor. And for Tyler Gabriel, my nephew is representing Mr. Gabriel. And so those two are first. Magistrate White will be handling them, and she'll be down momentarily. It's all good. All right. Good morning, Mr. Sinclair. How are you?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm well. How are you?
I am fine. I indicated on the record already I have to accuse myself on your case. Magistrate White will be handling your matter, and Mr. Donovan Durham. It looks like I indicated DDC file those cases first. So Magistrate White should be down momentarily. I'm waiting for the ladies of 134 to come in. In the interim, I'm going to put myself in timeout until the show is ready to begin. Any questions, comments, or criticisms?
No.
All right, hearing none.
Thank you, sir.
Hearing none, I'll put myself in timeout. Hi, DDC, Durham and or Toller. You can bring up. You know what to do.
And it's Donovan Durham. That's him.
All right. Donovan Durham, you said?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Morning, Magistrate White.
Good morning, everyone. Pick a file here, so let me just try to get to what I'm looking for. All right. We have defense counsel here. Okay. Hold on just a second. I don't see defense counsel. Oh, okay, there's somebody. All right. This is case number 180450064, People of the State of Michigan versus defendant number 1, Donovan Lee Durham. Counsel.
Thank you, Steve Vincent for the people, P71917.
Ryan Murad, PA 3665. On behalf of Mr. Donovan Durham, we waive the reading. Mr. Durham stands mute. He's been advised of his rights.
Okay, court's going to enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. I'm told this is a capious matter. Let's see what the bond is. Anybody know off the top of their head what the bond is? This top stuff is for the defendant too. So let me.
Magistrate, I didn't find this to be a capious. You may have different information than myself.
Okay.
I agree, Judge. I think this has never been arranged.
All right, that's okay. All right. Anything as to bond from the people?
Well, Judge, we're entering the 7th year since this incident took place. It's being charged as an A and B. I did want to find out whether or not this defendant had picked up any other cases or charges since this incident. I couldn't find any. We would be We would be asking for no assaultive contact, wouldn't be objecting to a personal.
Okay. Counsel?
No objection to that, Judge. Personal bond, I think, would be appropriate in this case. Mr. Durham indicates he has no pending matters or KPS history.
All right. Court has taken note that this alleged offense took place in 2018. We are now in 2024. Sir, you're to have no assaultive contact. Do I have any minutes for this one? Oh, here it is. No assaultive contact with the complainant, that being Daryl Dalton. Okay, you're not to purchase or possess any firearms or any other weapons. Your bond, sir, is being set in the amount of $1,000. This is going to be a personal bond. You have a probable cause date. Actually, you have a pretrial date of May 29th, 2024, 8:30 a.m., 36th District Court, Judge Austin Garrett. Should that be correct? Or would that be? This is a assault and battery, and it says Garrett. Is that correct, or should it be Brian? Okay, just a second. Let me just make sure we have it right. Garrett is correct. Okay. All right, in front of Judge Garrett, sir. All right, that concludes your arraignment.
Thank you, Magistrate.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
All right, go to Jason. Come on, Jason. 9 minutes, bro. One, no parts.
Black line, face the camera, see a full name.
Yeah.
State your name, sir. Good morning, Your Honor. Gabriel Teller here.
This is case number 24057-246, people of the state of Michigan versus Gabriel Keyshawn Dewan Toller, also known as Gabriel Keyshawn Toller, Gabriel Keyshawn Dewan, all one word, Toller. Counsel.
Good morning, Magistrate. Always a pleasure. Steve Vincent for the people, P71917.
And good morning. I'm Christopher 8051. Here will now be the president on consent to proceed in via Zoom.
Mr. Sinclair, we can't hear you at all. It was nothing but static. We didn't get your name or your P number.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm
It sounds like I can hear you better. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Christopher Sinclair, P80512.
Okay, thank you. And we didn't hear the rest of it. So as to the arraignment, what are we doing?
Oh, got it. Okay. We stand mute, wait for Marie, ask the court to enter not guilty plea.
Okay. Court's going to enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. You've advised your client of his rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. Anything as to bond from the people?
Not much and a lot all in one thing, Judge. We're asking for remand. This is a triple shooting, 2 fatalities. One survived a shot to the head, ended up allegedly IDing the defendant as the shooter. Substantial police investigation. There's video surveillance. There's flock surveillance. There's testimony from one of the victims' spouses. There are text messages prior to this incident between one of the victims and this defendant. We have a defendant who's a HAB 4. Judge, there's just overwhelming evidence here. We do feel as though this defendant is the nth degree of danger. to the community, and respectfully, we're asking for that remand.
All right. Counsel, anything, Esteban?
Yes, ma'am. Mr. Toller is 36 years old. He has 2 children, one minor, one adult child. He finished high school. He works in the construction industry. His latest prior conviction is more than 10 years old, about 13, 12, or 12 years old. There, of course, just allegations at this point, asking the court for a cash bond.
Okay. All right. Sir, these are very, very serious assaultive allegations, the most serious that you could have been charged with. You have at least 3 that are life offenses. According to the investigator's report, this does appear to be a triple shooting with 2 people losing their lives. There does appear to be there appears to be video. The one person who did survive has identified Mr. Toller. So the court does find you to be an utmost danger to the community. Court is going to remand you to the custody of the Wayne County Jail. Not to have any contact with any witnesses at all. You have a probable cause date of May 28th, preliminary exam date of June 3rd, 2024. Probable cause date is at 8:30 a.m. The preliminary exam date is probably at 1:30 p.m., both in front of Judge King. All right, anything else, counsel?
Nothing from the people.
Nothing for me, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. All right, sir, that concludes your arraignment.
See, we get the best magistrate to come in for the heaviest case. There you go.
Yeah. Let's see.
Don't tell Magistrate Burton I just said that.
As he stands right here. All right.
Okay. All right.
See you a little later.
Be good. What did you say, Mr. Vincent? I didn't hear you.
I didn't say anything. Didn't say anything.
What did you say, Mr. Vincent? I didn't hear you.
Keeping my mouth closed.
All right. Wayne County Jail. What is your name, sir?
Eric Bacon.
What's your name?
Michael Young.
All right, Mr. Young, you have traffic matters. Let me get myself together here. All right, Mr. Young, you have some traffic matters in which you failed to appear in court for, sir. As a result, you failed to appear, warrants for your arrest were issued. The court's going to set aside those arrest warrants, give personal bond in each of these misdemeanor matters that carries a maximum penalty for the 93 days in jail and or a $500 fine. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have a right to an attorney. You can't afford an attorney. One will be appointed on your behalf. Is that clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. The tickets in question are U497-00318. Date of offense, November 17, 2018. It is a controlled substance ticket. Ticket 0529575. Date of offense, January 22nd, 2006. operating while intoxicated. And you, 998-94313, date of offense August 29, 2013, in a vacant lot without owner's permission. Again, you got a personal bond, no dollar amount, pre-trial, June 10th, in front of Judge Marlena Taylor. Is that clear, sir?
Excuse me, Your Honor. You sure you got the right Michael Young?
Yes.
Your Honor,
Why?
I don't have any of that.
Michael Tremaine Young?
No, my name is Michael Ray Sean Young.
Oh, okay. No wonder. Okay. All right. And he said, you're Michael Richard Young, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll have to take a pass on him. We may have to come back on him in the afternoon, okay?
I don't see any more I don't see any more Michael Youngs in our custody. They might have put a writ out for the other one. I'm going to take him back if this isn't him. And if we don't have Michael, what's the middle name of the Michael Young you're looking for?
Tremaine.
No, we have
Tremaine.
Tremaine, but the guy in custody says his middle name is Rashad.
Rashad. So take him back. If there's an issue, we'll deal with it in the afternoon at 2:30. Okay.
We won't be here. We won't be here at 2:30, magistrate.
Okay, well, stay tuned for about another hour or so.
Okay, I'll call the courtroom. Thank you.
All right, and bring out Mr. Hintz.
Yeah.